Dash cameras for smartphones are a popular and convenient option for those who want to capture their driving experiences without investing in a separate camera. There are many products available to choose dash cameras for smartphone, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best dash cameras for smartphone from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wi-Fi GPS Dash Cam Front and Rear 4K Ultra HD 2.45-inch Screen. Introducing the ZELN Life 4K Dash Cam, the ultimate companion for your car. With its front and rear cameras, this dash cam provides comprehensive coverage, capturing every moment in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution. The dual camera setup allows you to have a complete visual record of both the road conditions and the activities inside your car. Equipped with GPS functionality, it accurately tracks and records your vehicle's location, speed, and route, making it useful for reviewing your driving history and providing precise information in case of accidents or insurance claims. The Wi-Fi connectivity enables you to connect the dash cam to your smartphone or other devices wirelessly, allowing for convenient video playback, live streaming, and easy sharing of footage. With wide-angle lenses, loop recording, and G-sensor and parking mode, this user-friendly dash cam ensures continuous recording, protection of important footage, and ease of use. Experience the convenience and peace of mind that the ZELN Life 4K dash cam brings to your journeys. Number 2. Dash Cam Front and Rear 2.5K plus 1080p FHD Wi-Fi Dual Dash Camera for Cars. The TTLI-TTLI-NY Dual Dash Cam is a high-quality car camera that captures video in Ultra HD 2.5K plus 1080p resolution. With its 170 degrees wide-angle front camera and 140 degrees rear camera, it helps you capture all the key details on the road, including road signs and vehicle number plates. The built-in Wi-Fi and app control feature allows you to easily view and download videos, change settings, and share your footage with friends and family. The Super Night Vision function ensures clear recording even in low-light conditions, while the 24-hour parking mode provides around-the-clock protection for your vehicle. With loop recording and auto accident lock, you never have to worry about running out of storage space or losing important footage. Number 3. Rove R2-4K Cam Built-in Wi-Fi 6 GPS Car Dashboard Camera Recorder. The Rove R2-4K Cam is a top-of-the-line car dashboard camera that offers 4K Ultra HD recording, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and a range of advanced features. It has a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, f1.8 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, and slow-mo video. The camera is backed by a 1-year warranty and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Customers have praised its quality video recording, easy setup, and excellent customer service. Number 4. 2.5K Wi-Fi Dash Cam Front and Rear. The POI-BPCY Dual Dash Cam is a high-quality dash camera designed for cars. It features a 2.5K Quad HD front lens and 1080p Full HD rear lens, both capable of recording simultaneously. With a 170 degrees wide-angle lens in the front and 150 degrees in the rear, it covers all angles without any blind spots. The built-in Wi-Fi and app control allow easy control and preview of the camera through your smartphone. The advanced night vision feature ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. The 24/7 parking monitoring and G-sensor provide peace of mind by automatically recording sudden collisions. The camera supports up to 128 GB storage with seamless loop recording. With an 18-month warranty, the POI-BPCY Dual Dash Cam is a reliable choice for car owners. Number 5. 4K Dash Cam Front GeoDTS Car Camera 2160p with Wi-Fi. The GeoDTS 4K Dash Cam is a high-quality car camera that captures clear and detailed videos of your journeys. With its 4K Ultra HD 2160p resolution and 6 glass lenses, it can automatically balance the color and brightness of the picture to record super clear video. This dash cam also comes with Wi-Fi connection and app control, allowing you to manage and change camera settings, preview and download videos, and share your footage easily. The G-Sensor function and loop recording feature ensure that important videos are saved and the memory card is not filled up. Additionally, the dash cam has 2 parking monitor modes for added security when your car is parked. With advanced WDR technology and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, this dash cam captures important details and eliminates blind spots. The GeoDTS 4K dash cam is a reliable and convenient companion for your car journeys.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.